Welcome back, friends. Since we are all spending a bit more time at home than usual, so I thought I'd show you how to paint mustard fields. I'm gonna bring the outside in. We cannot go outside, right? Well, the process itself is really simple. Today I am working with oil color and this is a gesso paper, and right now I am doing an underpainting with yellow and burnt sienna acrylic color. This will help to tone down the paper and you will get to know the color values accurately. The very first step for the painting is to draw out the basic shapes. I am using white watercolor for this, and the reason why this step is important because when you start applying the color, you will get to know exactly what to paint and where to paint. The sight of a mustard field is beloved to many. I am really obsessed with its yellow golden color, the color of happiness. I mean, who would love to be amongst yellow perky flowers as far as eyes can see, isn't it? A few months back, I did another painting on mustard field. That was a bit larger in size and with way more detailings as compared to this painting. I'll drop the link of that video in the description box if you want to check that out. Lately, I have realized that sometimes we need to escape from our own sanity. We need to go or run away somewhere we can be entirely on our own. And I think we can entirely do that with painting. I remember in my childhood I used to love spending time in those mustard fields whenever I used to visit my grandma's house. I felt like nothing can be more beautiful than this. A vast stretch of land filled with golden yellow mustard blooms. So I hope you enjoyed this painting video. Please let me know in the comment section below how much you liked it. I really love to hear from you guys. And thank you once again for subscribing to my channel, because without your love and support, this wouldn't have been possible. I wish you all have a great day, and I wish to see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay at your home. Bye-bye.